import your sprite sheet, right click it, click create material, name it m_fire. I'm going to open this up. We're going to change the blend mode from opaque to masked and the shading model from default lit to unlit. Then we're going to drag the RGB into emissive color and the A here, which is the alpha, into the opacity mask. Right click and search for flipbook. Drag the UVs into UVs here. You'll see it's starting to animate on the left. Hold S and left click to create a parameter. Name this one rows. Create a new parameter, name it columns. This has 12 columns and 11 rows. So 11 rows, 12 columns. Plug rows into number of rows and columns into number of columns. Click Save. Open the content drawer, right click, create a new blueprint class. Actor. Name it BP_fire. Open this, click Add, and click Material Billboard. In the Details panel, under Sprite, we're going to click this Add Element, click it, change the material to m_fire. This BP fire can now be dragged into your level, and it will always face the character because it's using a billboard. As a bonus, if you would like to control the speed at which the animation plays, because I believe this is rather fast, open up your m_fire, right click, add a multiply, plug that into animation phase. Hold S, create a new parameter, name it animation speed, plug that into B. You can put whatever speed you want in the float value here. I like 0.5. Into A, we're going to put a time node. So right click, search for time, plug that into A. Save it. And now you'll see that the animation is playing a little slower. We can put this to a lower value like 0.1 or a faster value like 2. Now in the world you'll see that the fire is playing slower. If you would like to make this fire damage you when you touch it, we can go into BP fire and we can add some stuff to our event graph. Go to viewport, click your material billboard. We're going to add a capsule collision. Capsule collision. We're going to name this C damage zone. Go to your event graph, right click, add event, head on component begin overlap. We're going to add a custom event. Call it damage time. I'm going to call it damage time. Drag out, apply damage. Damage actor is going to be this actor. So I'm going to right click this and promote it to a variable. I'm going to name this overlapped actor. Now, this overlapped actor is going to be plugged into damaged actor. The damage causer is going to be self. So right click, type self, get a reference to self, plug that in. Out of this set overlapped actor, we're going to set a timer by event. Set this to a time like 0.5. So this will run every 0.5 seconds. Click looping, return value, right click that, promote it to a variable. We're going to name this damage timer handle. Over here in damage time, we're going to connect this red event to this red square here for damage time. So every 0.5 seconds, once the player overlaps, we're going to save this variable. It's going to set this timer for every 0.5 seconds we're going to deal 10 damage to the player. If we do this right now, I'm going to print a string. We're going to print the damage. This return value is the actual damage that ended up being applied to the player. Compile and save. You'll see we walk over it once. It's just going to keep on applying damage forever. Right click your damage zone, add event on component end overlap, other actor equals the overlapped actor, so that whatever initially overlapped it is now no longer overlapping it. We're going to true, clear and invalidate timer by handle. Plug damage timer handle into handle. Compile and save. Now you'll see as we stand in it, we will constantly take damage. When we're out of it, we will no longer be taking damage. If you pass through it quickly, you will not take any damage. This is technically how fire would work in real life, but if we want it to work in a video game, we probably want it to deal your damage whenever you touch the fire. On event overlap, let's drag this over to make some space. We're going to drag this out, and we're going to do damage time. If we pass quickly through the fire, we will take damage. As you can see at the top left, we've taken 10 damage. That is how to make simple PlayStation style fire in Unreal Engine.